Affordable Housing USA, Cheap Homes 2025, Hidden Housing Markets, Low-Cost Real Estate, Best Places to Buy a House in USA, Quiet Cities to Live in, Real Estate Under 200K, Small Town Housing Market, Zillow House Tour, Redfin Housing Data, U.S. Housing Trends, Real Estate Investing 2025, Best Budget Cities USA, Housing Market Explained, Cheap Property USA, Underrated Cities USA, Real Estate Insights, Cost of Living America, Real. In 2025, the average home in Ocala sells for just over $225,000. That's nearly half the state average. Many homes still list below $180,000, including small single-family properties, townhomes, and modular builds. Redfin data shows homes in Ocala stay on the market for more than 45 days, creating a less pressured environment for buyers. New developments on the outskirts are expanding inventory without major price jumps. The overall tone of the market remains calm and affordable. Ocala's affordability is shaped by the nature of its local economy. Jobs in agriculture, healthcare, and retail drive the region, offering steady employment but limiting wage spikes that typically push real estate values upward. The city is spacious with plenty of undeveloped land, which reduces housing scarcity. Culturally, Ocala appeals to retirees and long-term residents rather than rapid turnover investors or luxury buyers. This has kept speculative buying low and demand consistent. Growth is present, but it's not overwhelming. That balance helps keep prices down. Ocala provides a lifestyle centered around space, simplicity, and access to nature. With nearby springs, trails, and equestrian centers, the area attracts those looking for peace over pace. The city supports a growing population of remote workers and active retirees who are more focused on quality of life than urban convenience. Housing reflects that mindset. Modest, functional, and affordable. In a state known for soaring property values, Ocala stands out as a place where homeownership remains within reach. The city offers a grounded alternative to Florida's more chaotic markets and continues to quietly build a future based on stability and value.